Good morning. Hello my bachas. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy at your home. I am your Krina ma'am. Children, which number you have learnt in our previous sessions? Yes, you have learnt numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's revise them.
This is number 1. Number 1. There is one sun. This is number 2. Number 2. How many eyes do we have? 1, 2. Yes, we have 2 eyes. This is number 3. Number 3. How many lollipops are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 lollipops. This is number 4. Number 4. How many dogs are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dogs. This is number 5. Number 5. How many monkeys are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 monkeys. This is number 6. Number 6. How many trees are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 trees. This is number 7. Number 7. How many pencils are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 pencils. This is number 8. Number 8. How many fruits are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 fruits.
So now we are going to learn a new number, that is 9.
This is number 9. Number 9. बच्चों ये नंबर 9 है.
So let's count the different objects to learn it better. This is number 9. Number 9. How many plates are there? बच्चों अब हम ये plates count करेंगे. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 plates. There are 9 plates. बच्चों बताओ मुझे ये क्या है? Glasses. How many glasses are there? अब हम glasses count करेंगे बच्चों. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 glasses. There are 9 glasses. बच्चों, मुझे अब जल्दी जल्दी बताओ ये क्या है? यस, ये स्पून्स है. क्या है? स्पून्स. चलो अब हम ये कितनी स्पून्स है काउंट करेंगे. हाउ मेनी स्पून्स आर देयर? लेट्स काउंट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 spoons. There are 9 spoons.
How many balls are there? Let's count. अब हम balls count करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 balls. There are 9 balls.
बच्चों, हमने ये नंबर 9 के रिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्ट्स काउंट किए हैं. तो जल्दी जल्दी बताओ हमने कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स काउंट किए. यस, 9 प्लेट्स, 9 glasses, 9 spoons
And 9 balls.
Now I will give you the practice worksheet.
In this worksheet, you have to count the snail and color it very nicely. आपको इस वर्कशीट में स्नेल काउंट करने हैं और उसमें कलर करना है. बच्चों, ये वर्कशीट आपको आपकी मैथ्स वर्कबुक पेज नंबर 46 पर करनी है.
I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Okay, bachas. Bye bye. Take care.